Hi guys, Vijay here with another product review. So this product for pet owners who has cats or dogs, whatever. So I have cat. Maybe you saw her in my videos previously. So I had many water fountain for her, and I was looking for nicer one, a good filtered water, and I had Petkit brand smart cat litter box, and I saw on their website this Petkit water fountain. I was so happy with it, but lately they changed the filter. Previous filter was just filter, But later they added some plastic cover on it, and since then, I used to change filter with previous filter. I used to change it like 1 month, every 1 month or 1.5 months. But after the upgraded or new version of filter, I have to change every 2 weeks because water is getting stuck. You can see this is the water here. It's supposed to be flow down directly. It shouldn't be clogged like that. It shouldn't be like this. Because of that things, all the water goes from the drain holes. And because of that, all the hairs and dirt go inside the water and stop pump too. So I wanted to change it. Again, I got it Petkit brand, but this time it's different. So we are going to open together. Let's open it. So this filter is different than this water fountain filter. So let me. This is wireless. You can see the water is coming. So this is wireless. I like that. Easy to clean. This one. I was so happy with it. But I don't know why they changed it. They just ruined everything. So the water is not going because filter is getting clogged too with her hair, fur, something like that. Let me drain this. So this is basically, you unscrew that, and this is the filter, round filter. You know, previous one was just filter without the plastic, and now with this plastic is getting clogged. I and it's terrible, really terrible. They need to figure it out. They need to fix it. I and then emailed them and told them to change it or figure it out. So I got this one, Petkit EverSweet Max. So this is also smart fountain. You can control by app, and it has 3 liters capacity, and also checks. There is a sensor in front of it. It detects when your cat or dog is there and tells how many times and how much water. So this is quick start with the menu. Also, it has a battery. This is plus. If there is out. So this has many parts. It's not like as usual, my girl tearing the plastics. Fill the control module upward like this. Module that here. So this has wireless pump. I like that charging wirelessly. Okay, this is the wireless. And then you put this here. It's going to charge. So these are the parts. I have this one. Okay, super pump. And then you're going to clean. So right now, coming out. Out, and you can clean it. Avoid the mold. All two is here. So the pipe for this here out. Okay, cleaning brush, USB cable. They don't send plug anymore. They want you to buy or they want you to use whatever you have. Okay, and this is the filter. I hope it's not going to be same like that. This has plastic too. If it's like if I will get problem like this, I'm gonna return right away. So I believe. I know, leave it. I believe this goes like that. Forgot. Dropping it down. Like this. So one thing I didn't like, there's a space for it. Ah, not good design, but we will see. It would be better, but we will see. Okay. Let's see. Ah, this one. So water goes from here, but there's a design issue. The water goes from here. I don't know how it's gonna be. The filter is here, but there's. We will see. I don't like. I will return. Oh. So give me a few minutes. I'm gonna wash them a little bit, avoid the dust, and I will be back. So I rinsed everything. I fill it up. There's a, you can see max line. You can fill it up until there. So connect. This is the control module. Plug goes here. Back. Direction to put. This is flat surface. Just like that. Now lights are here. So lights mean flashing red. Please replace the filter and reset in app. Flashing red. This side. Please refill water. It can say when it's not enough water. It will say solid blue, continuous flow, solid green, intermittent flow, flashing blue or green, charging. Green light on and then off, low frequency flow, low battery please, charging time. So I already have app. Let's put this here and this here. A our filter. A uh, okay. Flashing red. I already filled up the water. Closer. Okay. Press for 3 seconds. Turned off. Turned on. I filled up the water. I don't know why it doesn't come. Ah, because forgot pump. Okay, my bad. My bad. My bad. There. Okay. Honey, he's ready to drink. So now it's quiet. I like that. But we will see after a while what's gonna happen. I hope it's not gonna be like this old one. The water is see now. So let me okay. Solid blue, solid green for flashing or green charging. It's charging right now. So it's charging the battery. We will see. I don't know how much battery is there. I'm gonna unplug. So I unplugged it. So the battery is working right now. Keep this here. Rolling. Unplug, green light on, then off. Low presence low, low battery. I believe when unplugged, it's gonna be just intermittent or low frequency flow. It says press it to switch working mode, which is not available in battery mode. Okay, battery mode has only one option. Then we're gonna plug in, and so with solid blue, the water will continuously flow, and the green, it's gonna be flow and stop, flow and stop. Now I'm gonna show you that. Let me grab my phone. Open Petkit. So to use app, you need another. You need to be close to item or product via Bluetooth, or if you have any smart Wi-Fi connected Petkit product, you can always connect that. So, and by the way, her birthday today, Petkit product, well, you are offline. Okay, I will check later. Let me go Fontaine, the old one. I'm gonna add product nearby EverSweet. It's easy to add that. Searching for nearby, searching and finding successfully. Next. EverSweet now. With instruction. Blah blah blah. Next. Working. Upgrade. Let me upgrade. I will come back. So I couldn't upgrade. There's some issue. It says failed. So you can see in working 3 minutes working, 3 minutes pause in this situation. It shows remaining filter 100%. It's going to say, and you need water pump cleaning. It shows like I showed you. So it's connected. Automatic recording, and it's going to short it, and when you fill it up, it's going to record when did you fill it up. So it says energy management, approximately 60 days remaining filter, 2 times water purified. It shows how many times, and today is drinking when she was drinking. And standard mode, intermediate mode, and battery mode. Oh, intermittent. So drinking record. It's all going to go here. Here's the settings, device switch, instruction, cleaning guide, charging guide, and there she goes. For demonstration. I am not sure what it's going to show here. How many times? Uh, I will upgrade later. Water flow, you can adjust from here how many times you want it flow, 10 minutes, 12 minutes. I do 3 and 3, it's enough. I know, leave it. Confirm, remote connection. So basically, it's easy to install, use, and control it. So I hope the filter is going to be good, not like the old one. So thanks for watching. This is Petkit, Petkit EverSweet Max smart water fountain. Question and comment, just leave it. If you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up. See you in the next video.